Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the accessories on the My Little Pony Story Creator application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is the first screen or the home screen, and you can find different options. Click to the Create a Story button under the Friendship Stories. And in the lower side of the screen you can find different buttons. For example, your character, the side character, the background picture, and click to the fourth button, the tiara or the crown, and you can find different accessories. Book, so many books, letters, thrones, and gifts, and just others, and you can add to your background. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.